Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates on my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for this video because it gives us motivation. So today's job notification has come from Wipro Limited. They are hiring for the intern position, freshers job it is. We will discuss in detail in this video. So don't skip this video. Watch the video till end. So if you have not subscribed still now, then click the subscribe button below this video. So let's start this video. Wipro is hiring intern position. Any degree can apply for this job. Yeah. So this job position is for any degree. Okay. So Wipro Limited is a multinational corporation IT sector. All of you have idea about Wipro, I think so. So the job profile is intern, experience required is freshers, working location will be Chennai, degree required is BE BTech in computer science or IT or electronics, or BCA or MCA can apply for this job. So the job description is mentioned here. The trainee is responsible for configuring and testing Wipro's pre-proprietary total benefit administration system. Configuring involves using proprietary systems like tools to set up, configure tables, parameters in TBA system as defined by analysis. Testing involves the preparation of test cases, test data, execution of test activities. This role is designed as an entry-level position for applicants with strong skill sets in programming, logical reasoning, analytical skills, system configuration, and testing related to systems that support human resource functions. So yeah, for 2021, they have published for their hiring notification for BE BTech or BCA MCA. So this is the job notification. Okay, so the roles and responsibilities, you will be a technical domain expertise there, and system development and quality assurance. You have to do ongoing task management, you must do. Communication, you have to be proactive, you have to participate in hurdle meetings. So operation and other service you have to handle. So if you're interested, then click on the apply link. I will give this link in my description box. You will be able to find that link from there. So you can see this is the intern position for the location of Chennai. So the job description, once you can go through from here, also roles and responsibilities is mentioned here. So salary will be minimum 3 to 4 LPA. So you can just click on apply option, then it will be redirecting to the application form. So at first you have to enter your email address here. So here are some conditions, your rights, all these things are mentioned. So then you have to click on next. So I am also doing the same thing, so you can see. So after clicking on next, it will be redirected to the form, actual form, the candidate profile form. So here you need to upload your CV, your profile picture, then you have to create your account, your login details, that is what will be your login user ID, password, your information like name, middle name, then phone numbers, address, then state, country, city, all those things you have to fill. Then some important questions like if you have previously employed by Wipro or anything. If yes, then please provide the employee ID, your date of birth, so your educational details also, then your work experience if you have, then the preference, the time zone you have to select, that is you will be want to work according to India time, or you want to work according to UK shift or US shift, so that thing you have to select from here. So after filling a full application form, you need to click on submit profile, then the registration will be complete. So after successful registration, if you are selected for the next round, that is 3 round will be happen. One is the quants round, as all of you know that quants round will contain logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, communications, that is the English writing, all those things, comprehension, and also mathematical stuffs. Quant section will be there. So after qualifying that thing, you will be eligible for the group discussion and the interview, the technical interview and the HR interview. So after successful submission of this application, they will shortlist that CV. Okay, so if you are fulfilling all the criteria, like up to graduation standard, you have to secure 60% marks in every level, that is in 10th, 12th and graduation level also. So they will directly mail you the application ID as well as the admit card when the exam is being scheduled next time. So we are expecting this exam will be scheduled within March first week or second week. So last date is not mentioned, so as soon as you are watching this video, you need to click on apply link. I will give this link in my description box. If you have any doubt, then please share your doubt in my comment section. I will try to solve that issue. And take care guys, we will meet in next video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends because they will be benefited from our channel, and also hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. Take care guys.